Nmap is a very powerful tool for port scanning, and we can also use Nmap as a variability scanner. For example, I want to have a port scan of this target host 42.7. It will give me which network port have been opened at the target host here. For example, the FTP, the SSH, and Samba. Okay, I can use Nmap as a variability scanner to see if this network surface have any variabilities, so that I can use the variability script scan the port 21. That's mean the FTP surface. Okay, this give me the variabilities here, so that this surface have the variability with the common variabilities explorer ID here. Okay, so I can after that I will know that the target host have this port open, and also some of the surface of this surface have the variability. Then I can go into the Kline Linux. And this is my Kline Linux host here. Okay, and then I will run the Metasploit framework, so that I run the MS console here. In this framework, that's the archive have many Explorer module here. Okay, that's a many 2000 Explorer here. Okay, because we know that the target host, this surface has variabilities, then I can search this surface here, so that it give me this Explorer here. Okay, so that I can use this one 0 here, and there's many option here. So many option. We need to set the target host here. So we set the target host to be this IP, the target host IP. Okay, and I can run the Explorer. Okay, so that you set that file shell and try to establish a section. Okay, there's one section here, so that I already get in. I'm into the root here, and I can check the IP here, and this IP is the target IP here. I can cat the password file. I can also cat the shadow file. Okay, so this is how you use the Metasploit framework to do the penetration test of the target host. In the port scanning, we also found that this the Samba is also open. Then I can also have the variability scan of this Samba port here. So I go to the Samba port here to scan the Samba. So it also give me the variability here. They have the and show me the Samba section here, the version here, the Samba version here, and the variability here. So back to the Kline Linux. I can search Samba, and there's a lot of Samba tools here. Okay, so I can narrow down the search the Samba with map. Okay, so I want to use the user map script explore. I use 0 here. Similarly, I need to also set the target host, and then I can do the run here. Then we'll try to establish a reverse TCP connection. Okay, so that they have the section file here. So that's similar to the FTP. I get to the root here. This is the target IP here. I can get the password file here, and also get the shadow file here. Okay, this is here. I can also use the Nmap to check the PHP version of a website. For example, we can also use the PHP version script to check the version of the PHP at the target host, so that we know that what version of the target host is running in the PHP service. Host the PHP version here. Okay, so that to see if this web server have any PHP installed and is also its version here. And then back to the Kline Linux. Okay, I can search the PHP. There's a lot of PHP modules here, and then I can narrow down it. For example, I want to have a CGI injection here, so that I have argument injections here. I use the free explore free here. Okay, similarly, I need to set the remote the target host here, and then I can run it, so that then we have the PHP shell to in the target host. You can list the file here, so that we have already in the target host this directory and this file. I can also go into the etc, list the file here, and also get the password file here. Okay, so this is how to use the Nmap to do some port scanning, vulnerability scanning, and use the Kline Linux Metasploit framework to do the penetration test to verify if the target host vulnerabilities can be break in.